I want to share what a lot of students wrote down when I asked them, "Have you grown in this math course?" Just in case it might help someone out. A lot of them mentioned that they learned that it's okay to make mistakes in math, and a lot of them thanked me for being a patient teacher. So I want to share a couple things that I do in my class. I start every lesson with a tip of the day. Half of them are mindset related, the other half pertain to the lesson. So for example, some tips of the day were, you learn so much more from your mistakes than your successes. Or mistakes are expected, respected, inspected, and corrected. And another one is simply the word yet. And what I mean by the last one is that if you don't feel like you're good at something, just add the word yet at the end of the sentence. Like, I'm not good at cooking yet. I'm not good at dancing yet, to show that things are not permanent. And I do test corrections. I have students write, "At first I thought, but now I think," and then they do the problem again. And in terms of being a patient teacher, I explicitly tell them that I want to go at the pace of learning. Because if I'm over here and all the students are over here, no one's happy. So it's very important that we communicate with each other. And here's one way that I do this. At the end of a problem, I would often ask, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being most comfortable, where are you at with this specific problem? And if I see a lot of high numbers, I move on. If I see a mix of numbers, I would say, okay, if you're at a 7 or under, please ask me at least one question. And most of the time they would say, I just need more practice. And I often say, ask me at least 2 questions, rather than do you have any questions, to normalize questions in the classroom. I tell them that questions just mean you're curious, so there's no shame in asking questions. So I know math class can be a scary place for a lot of people, and what I think can really help is to create an environment where it's okay to make mistakes, and to have a patient teacher along the way.